Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In today's video, let's start from the beginning to show you guys the half-finished EPS cutting line for the Europe market. Because the factory site is limited, the vertical storage working station is temporarily put aside. The yellow one is the hydraulic tilter. This is the alignment mechanism. Before cutting, the EPS block needs to be aligned first. This is the first horizontal cutting station with an automatic wire setting function. This is the roller press down mechanism. During cutting, the EPS block will be pressed from the top to avoid shifting. This is the vertical cut station, the whole line with top and bottom recycling system. This is the cross-cutting station. Destacker station. Four-side EPS packaging machine station. This is the alignment station with 2 packs per layer. This is the big stacking machine working station to stack EPS parcels in sequence. The equipment in the back has not yet been produced and assembled. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.